Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we have one of the most incredible X-rays I've ever seen. But is it real or fake? Okay, for a moment, let's assume it is real. So if it's real, what could it be? X-rays emit an electromagnetic wave of high energy and very short wavelength, which is able to pass through many materials opaque to light. The result is a photographic or digital image of the internal composition of something, especially a part of the body, produced by X-rays being passed through it and being absorbed to different degrees by different materials. Alright, let's look at some examples of bizarre X-rays. So what was the original image? Well, it is an X-ray, and it is real. According to Daily Mail, police in Australia have released the image to the public. They found Anthony Liu with 33-inch nails in his head. They released the resultant X-ray in hopes of finding a suspect in the case. Mr. Liu had migrated from China to Australia in the year 2000. He was married to an Australian woman. Police believe the culprit worked in the electrical or construction business and do not tie the incident to any particular organization. Here's one more crazy X-ray. Do you think it's real or fake? Comment below. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting medical content. Adios.
Sometimes I can't sleep, so I take Rest More at night. It helps me fall asleep fast and stay asleep. I need more energy during the day, so I can get more done and feel refreshed. So I take Meta 7 every morning. Rest More is an all-natural sleep formula intended to aid your natural sleep cycle. Meta 7 was developed by Dr. John Gilmore to boost your metabolism. Visit Amazon and try both today.
When you just can't sleep and you need more rest, try buyrestmore.com, yes. It helps you fall asleep and stay asleep. It gives your brain what it needs, yeah.